Hi, this is Jonathan Budd, and I want to invite you to become a Powur partner. Now, what does it mean to be a Powur partner? And I'm going to tell you, first thing and foremost, being a Powur partner is truly about legacy. It's truly about impact. It's truly about what you're going to leave for all future generations after you're gone. Because partners are the ones who are helping us build the new clean energy grid to power the planet. Partners are the ones who take ownership, like all entrepreneurs, at solving whatever the biggest problems are that we can think of to solve. Now, entrepreneurs are creators. We're naturally just the ones that want to get out there and invent something where it didn't exist before, solve a big problem that needs to be solved, create something from nothing. That's the spirit, that's the attitude that all entrepreneurs come from. And as a Powur partner, you have the chance to be at the forefront of an entirely new movement of socialpreneurism, at the forefront as an energy disruptor, plugging into our platform and helping us disrupt and decentralize the current energy grid and replace it with a better model. And we all know what the impact of this is going to be. It's going to change the face of the planet. It's going to create a new era of prosperity on planet Earth like we've never seen before. Now, how incredible is it that your life can actually have that impact? So what's it mean to be a Powur partner? Well, first and foremost, we're going to give you access to our proprietary certification program that we've created for all of our partners to train you on how to think, on how to be, on how to succeed, on how to win when it comes to the game of entrepreneurship, when it comes to you tapping into and claiming your piece of the biggest wealth transfer any of us are going to see in our lifetime. Now, that's just step number one. The second piece of becoming a Powur partner is full access to our entire social business model. Now, Powur has innovated and pioneered a new type of social business model that rewards you for spreading clean energy across the country, for going out there and actually building the new power grid, person to person to person to person to person. So we're already on the leading edge, creating a new era of social entrepreneurship that only Powur partners have access to. As a Powur partner, you can get rewarded off the entire grid that you build. No matter how viral it goes, all of that clean energy wealth is flowing through your grid and you have the chance to get rewarded from it. And as you go through the certification, we don't stop there. We show you how to actually develop leaders. To be a leader means that you have deep impact over people's lives and you know how to train them to get to a place where they want to be. So what's it take to become a Powur partner? The first thing it takes is a rock solid commitment. It takes the commitment that you're going to be a game changer, that when you commit yourself to something, you're going to make it happen, because what the world needs are those kind of people. The world needs unstoppable people. So when you make the commitment to be a Powur partner, be unstoppable. Second, just click the link below this video. Enroll yourself in being a Powur partner for $2.99 and we'll unlock the partnership certification program instantly. Now, I want you to think about something real quick. I want you to think, why is the smartest money on planet Earth investing in renewable technologies right now? Why did Goldman Sachs, why did Bank of America, why did Google already all invest just in our partner, Solar City alone? The answer is easy, because they see where this is going. They see that we are in front of one of the biggest waves that humanity's ever going to see. The shift from dirty to renewable energy. And that while this happens, trillions of dollars is literally going to change hands. And all of the smartest entrepreneurs on the planet understand that the number one most critical factor to knocking something out of the park, to true success, is timing. And Bill Gross, the famous entrepreneur and venture capitalist, actually proved it. He actually went and studied hundreds and hundreds of companies and looked at 5 different factors: timing, team, business model, strategy, and funding, to see what was the most important factor to any one company succeeding. And you know what he found in every single one, time and time again? Big shock: timing. That it wasn't how much money they had, it wasn't what their business model was, it wasn't even their rock star team. It was timing. It was being in front of the wave. And my friends, we don't want you to miss this. This is going to be the entrepreneurial ride of a lifetime for so many people, and you have the chance to participate. Instead of you having to invest billions of dollars to be your own solar city, or even investing tens of thousands of dollars to start your own franchise, you can invest a couple $100 and have the same unlimited upside potential of owning your own business in front of the biggest wave that many of us might ever see in our lifetime. I mean, that's insane, my friends. That's the opportunity that's in front of every one of us right here, right now, today. Join us on this epic mission to create legacy income and legacy impact. As soon as you sign up to become a partner, the next phase of your journey begins, and you will be initiated into a clan, into a network of entrepreneurs, of game changers, of people who are here to make a difference. And as soon as you make that choice, you'll already start to see things around you change. You'll already start to see your path open up and unfold. So I invite you to make that choice today. Join us as a power partner. Come help us change the way the world produces and consumes energy, and let's leave our legacy for generations to come.